In this video, we discuss Rovera dosage for dogs, including important information about its use. Did you know that Rovera, also known as Carprofen, is a prescription medication that helps relieve pain and inflammation in dogs? Veterinarians commonly prescribe Rovera to manage osteoarthritis pain and to help dogs recover more comfortably after surgery. The standard dosage is 2 milligrams per pound, or 4.4 milligrams per kilogram of body weight per day, exactly as prescribed by your veterinarian. Rovera comes as flavored chewable tablets, making it easy for most dogs to take. Giving it with food can also help reduce stomach upset. This medication works by blocking enzymes that produce inflammatory chemicals, helping reduce pain, swelling, and joint stiffness. Common side effects include vomiting, diarrhea, decreased appetite, tiredness, and increased thirst or urination. Serious warning signs like bloody stools, yellow eyes or gums, seizures, severe weakness, or facial swelling require immediate veterinary care. Never give Rovera together with human painkillers, other NSAIDs, or corticosteroids unless your veterinarian specifically instructs you to do so. Dogs taking Rovera long-term should have regular blood tests to monitor liver and kidney health and ensure the medication remains safe. When used at the correct dosage and under veterinary supervision, Rovera can help your dog move more comfortably, reduce pain, and enjoy a better quality of life. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dogs should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.